So I was facing a little difficulty with the reading module, and Jamil sir's classes really helped me overcome that. The way he passionately explains, and breaks down the whole module for you, I think that's really great, and it makes it simpler for you to understand how to, crack the exam basically.
So I was in the lookout for a really good IELTS coaching class, and I got to know about Jamil sir's classes through my friend. And when I enrolled in his classes, I felt that I improved a lot than I was before. I was able to answer the questions correctly, and I was able to apply all of his methods, his unique methods, into finding answers. So this has helped me a lot.
To prepare for my IELTS exam, Mr. Jamil's classes really helped me. He is not only going to talk to you about what to prepare, but he is also going to guide you on how to prepare.
I'm really thankful to Jamil sir's classes because it has helped me to develop a confidence in me, not only in the listening section but in the whole IELTS exam itself.
I need someone to correct me. I got to know about Jamil sir, and Jamil sir is a very good teacher. He gives individual attendance, and also when I look into the class is all about individual attention, understanding the difficulty, and then overcoming it.
Mr. Jamil's classes did help me a lot. I was able to face these challenges with the tips and tricks given to me by Mr. Jamil to manage time. Frankly speaking, it was my sister who suggested me to attend Mr. Jamil's classes, as she had an attempt of 5 times where she failed to score an overall band of 7. And finally, it was her first class with Mr. Jamil and her last attempt for IELTS, where she was able to score overall band of 7 to pursue her career.
Well, the most difficult module in IELTS for me was writing. Jamil sir's coaching class has taught me a lot of techniques which I can apply during writing. Sir used to correct each and every letter and essay of mine and provide feedback. This has helped me a lot to improve my writing. I can now confidently say that I can write some good letters and essays to secure higher band.
For me, the most challenging area was in speaking module. I found it difficult to arrange and convey my thoughts using right words and phrases. Jamil sir guided us with different practice techniques to improve in the areas where we found ourselves weak. I'm happy that I could score the desired band in the first attempt. Thanks to Jamil sir for his encouragement and support.